Welcome to RenovationX, your ultimate destination for all things home renovation and interior design. Whether you're revamping a single room or giving your entire home a luxurious makeover, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative aspects of interior design: painting. Yes, painting might seem like a simple element, but in Dubai, it's a game changer. From bold accent walls to serene neutrals and artistic techniques, painting trends in Dubai redefine style in 2025. Imagine walking into a room that instantly captivates your senses. The walls don't just serve as a background but actively contribute to the mood, theme, and overall vibe of the space. In Dubai, where luxury and innovation reign supreme, painting trends have evolved into an art form that blends culture, opulence, and cutting-edge techniques. Whether it's a statement accent wall that screams individuality or the subtle interplay of serene neutrals that whispers elegance, the power of paint is undeniable. For 2025, painting trends in Dubai are all about reimagining spaces with a blend of tradition and modernity. Think intricate stencil designs that pay homage to Arabic heritage, combined with sleek, contemporary color palettes. Bold, rich hues like emerald green, sapphire blue, and deep burgundy are making waves, adding drama and depth to living spaces. Meanwhile, lighter tones such as sandy beige, pearl white, and soft grays continue to dominate, offering a timeless appeal that reflects Dubai's love for minimalistic luxury. Artistic techniques are also stealing the spotlight. From ombre gradients that create a mesmerizing flow of color to textured finishes that mimic materials like marble or concrete, these innovative approaches are redefining what walls can be. Metallic accents, gold leaf detailing, and even 3D wall effects are pushing the boundaries of creativity, turning walls into masterpieces. And let's not forget about eco-friendly options. As sustainability becomes a global priority, Dubai is embracing paints that are low VOC, volatile organic compounds, and environmentally friendly. These options not only enhance indoor air quality but also align with the city's vision for a greener future. Transforming your home with these painting trends is easier than you think. With RenovationX, you get the expertise, tools, and support to bring your ideas to life. So, what are you waiting for? The future of your dream home starts with a single brushstroke. Dubai homes exude elegance, luxury, and creativity, and the right paint can elevate any space into a work of art. In today's episode, we'll explore the top painting trends that are taking Dubai by storm. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be itching to grab a paintbrush or call your favorite professionals, and we'll introduce you to some amazing services to get started. Whether you prefer opulent gold accents, soothing pastel hues, or bold geometric patterns, we'll cover it all and give you insider tips on how to make your home truly stand out. Plus, we'll share why RenovationX is your best partner in bringing your vision to life. So, let's redefine style and dive into the vibrant world of painting trends for Dubai homes. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tips and trends from RenovationX. Ready? Let's begin. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures, and this diversity is reflected in its interior design trends. Colors set the tone of a space and are one of the easiest ways to redefine your home. In 2025, we're seeing three standout color palettes dominating Dubai's homes: desert-inspired neutrals like sandy beige, soft taupe, and warm terracotta mimic Dubai's natural beauty and bring an earthy, calming vibe to interiors. Jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and amethyst purple are making bold statements in 2025. These shades scream luxury and work perfectly in accent walls or smaller spaces like powder rooms. Pastel paradise with soft blush pink, mint green, and powder blue is trending in minimalist homes, bringing a fresh and airy feel, ideal for modern apartments and family homes. Pair these colors with wooden furniture and textured rugs for a cozy yet elegant look. Add modern flair with matte finishes for jewel tones, and clean, sophisticated furniture to complement pastels. Painting is no longer about just rolling color onto a wall, it's an art form. Let's talk about textured walls that add depth and character. Popular options include Venetian plaster for luxurious marble effects, concrete finishes for an industrial chic vibe, and sand-textured paint reflecting the desert's essence. Geometric patterns add bold and modern touches, creating stunning visuals with triangles or chevrons. Metallic accents in gold, silver, and bronze finishes exude opulence, with trims and ceilings gaining extra sophistication. At RenovationX, our experts can help bring these designs to life. Sustainability is a growing trend. Low VOC and zero VOC paints ensure safety and sustainability, offering safe options for families. Natural paints made from clay and plant-based ingredients are biodegradable, while heat-reflective paints reduce energy costs in Dubai's warm climate. Eco-friendly paint solutions maintain beauty and offer long-term advantages for health and the environment. Choosing eco-friendly options doesn't mean compromising on style. RenovationX guides you in selecting sustainable paints for a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Dubai's unique architecture offers endless possibilities for integrating bold and artistic paint choices. Arches, tall ceilings, and open spaces can benefit from techniques like gradient painting, where colors shift seamlessly to add depth and sophistication. For smaller spaces, light-reflecting paints can make rooms feel larger and more inviting, a practical choice for apartments or offices. Murals and hand-painted designs are increasingly popular for adding personality to homes. Imagine a tranquil desert landscape on your living room wall or an intricate geometric mural in your dining area. These bespoke elements make a statement and turn ordinary walls into masterpieces. The key to achieving these jaw-dropping results lies in selecting the right team. RenovationX specializes in bringing your vision to life with precision, quality, and creativity. Our experts ensure that every detail, from the color palette to the finishing touches, aligns with your expectations. Let's not forget about outdoor spaces. With Dubai's stunning weather, patios and terraces are often extensions of indoor living areas. Weather-resistant paints in vibrant hues can transform these spaces into cozy retreats. Pair these with complementary furniture and lighting for a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Outdoor painting requires durability and style. RenovationX offers expert advice on selecting paints that can withstand the sun, sand, and occasional rain, ensuring your exteriors look stunning for years to come. Whether it's a bold statement wall on your terrace or a subtle, elegant finish for your villa's facade, we've got you covered. At the end of the day, your home reflects your personality. The right colors and designs don't just beautify a space, they evoke emotions, create memories, and bring people together. Imagine hosting a dinner party in a dining room with a dramatic jewel-toned wall or relaxing in a bedroom painted in calming neutrals that help you unwind after a long day. Transforming your home with these painting trends is easier than you think. With RenovationX, you get the expertise, tools, and support to bring your ideas to life. So, what are you waiting for? The future of your dream home starts with a single brushstroke. And there you have it, from desert-inspired neutrals to bold outdoor transformations, painting trends in Dubai redefine style and elevate living spaces. If you're ready to start your journey, reach out to RenovationX today. Let's create something extraordinary together. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep painting boldly. Thank you for joining me as we explored the top painting trends for Dubai homes. I hope these ideas have inspired you to redefine your style and create a space that truly reflects your personality. Before you go, don't forget to download our free painting guide. It's packed with tips, trend inspirations, and a step-by-step checklist to make your painting project a breeze. The link is in the description below. If you're ready to transform your home, our team at RenovationX is here to help. We're offering free consultations for a limited time, so book your appointment today. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Next week, we'll be diving into the art of creating feature walls that leave a lasting impression. Have questions or want to share your painting experiences? Drop a comment below, and I'll personally respond. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right guidance and inspiration, your dream home is just a brushstroke away.